So, El Michelle and I met at the Lion's Den. What? Gorge. Lion's Den Gorge. Yeah, it's not what it sounded like. Thought we were meeting up at a club for some real fun. No, we're up here near Milwaukee. Wow, it's beautiful. Just looking down makes me dizzy. We've actually never been here.
Fun.
Whoa. That's awesome. Great view. You're funny. Wow. Wow. You can come right up to the edge here. It's a path, it's a trail. Huh. Yeah, good luck. Whoa, the view here is awesome.
Is that a lighthouse?
There's a lighthouse way out there. Yes, good eye, El Michelle.
I like lighthouses. I want to go to a lighthouse.
So hard to see in focus from here. Whoa, looking down just gives me the woos.